Hello and welcome to this session on how blended learning can be used to enhance product knowledge through a combination of self-paced online modules, virtual instructor-led training, VALT, simulations, assessments, and a robust resource library. Self-paced online modules allow learners to learn at their own pace, anytime, anywhere. They provide comprehensive insights into product features, applications, and best practices. VALT brings the classroom experience to learners regardless of location. These interactive sessions led by expert trainers enable employees to engage in live discussions, Q&A sessions, and collaborative activities, fostering engagement and real-time learning. Simulations offer a risk-free environment for learners to apply their knowledge in realistic scenarios. These simulated situations help them gain practical experience, develop problem-solving skills, and build confidence to handle real-world challenges. Assessments and quizzes evaluate the understanding and retention of product knowledge. These interactive assessments not only measure proficiency but also identify areas for improvement, allowing for targeted training interventions to address specific needs. An easily accessible knowledge base or resource library serves as a centralized repository of information, housing product manuals, FAQs, troubleshooting guides, and best practices. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe icon right now so you don't miss anything in the future. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another insightful video.